Hello and welcome guys. In this video session, we are going to see how to do web scraping using Blazor application. In one of my previous sessions, I saw how to do web scraping using C#.NET through Windows application. If you want to look into this session, I will give the link in I button. Please check it out. Guys, every day I am producing some video regarding Blazor and other Microsoft programming languages. If you are interested in learning Microsoft programming languages, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. Let's get started. So for today's session, we are going to use HTML Agility Pack.NET Core. And I am already created a Blazor server application where I am going to display the list of business name from Yellow Pages site. So here I am Yellow Pages. I am searching the restaurant from the Seattle, Washington. Okay. So now let's go to the Visual Studio or the HTML Agility Pack.NET Core and do our programming. Manage NuGet package. The browse section, search for AgilityPack.NET Core. Install this. Okay, it got installed. Save the application, close this window. So I'm going to do add some class here in my data folder. Let's say I am adding a class scraper service. So just like our this weather forecast service, we added one scraper service here. Let's add this one for our dependency injection in startup.cs class. Register this service, service.add singleton. Okay. Inject this service. Scraper service. Let's say I'm giving it a scrap it. Okay. In the scraper service, let's create one method to in the public list of string okay, this method is returning the list of string. So for this I already written this code. We need to add this using statement in the service. Okay, let's build this list of string. Let's do data equal to new list of string. Okay, it's getting error. We need to give a return where. So I want to return data list. Okay, inside this data list I am giving HTML client. So in the HTML client it is getting some error here. Using HTML Agility Pack. Okay, and HTML response, the client.getAsync. Here I am going to give the URL. Excuse me guys. So here my URL. This is my URL I gave. So this stream is reading this HTTP response and loading into our HTML document. Next step, I am giving a var header name, this the document node, the select node, what is the element and what is the class of this. So I want to check this particular label. So inspect this element and let's see what is it. So this one is anchor and the class name is business name. So I'm going to class name is business name and the element is a anchor. Done. So next thing I'm going to loop here for each header names. .list.r inner text. So this anchor inner text I am adding to this data list. So our services part is done completely. Already we added the service or we registered the service in our startup class. We already injected this service. Let's go to particular on initializing event and just same our fetch data page we are going to call. So here it is adding like this. So I want this data scrap it dot do scrapping. Okay, now everything is fine. Build the application and run it. If everything is goes well with building, then run it. Guys, after creating this video, I'm going to upload into my website and I'm going to give the link for download. Run the application. Wait for some time, let the application run. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any kind of future update from me. Okay, this is the first time and we are doing complete scrapping, so that's why index page is getting slow. So we are fetching this business name, this particular restaurant name into our Blazor application. So you can see in the home screen itself it's loading. Wait for some second, let the web scraping work. Okay, in this way we can get our business name. So you can see this is Toshio Teaki, this one complete same to same business name we got from this address. So in this way you can also do the web scraping using Blazor application. Guys, I hope you like my channel video. If you like, give me a like and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.